In a peaceful meadow, little bunny Lila wakes up to a beautiful morning. Butterflies dance around as birds sing cheerful morning songs. After a gentle rain shower, Lila spots a magnificent rainbow in the distance. Lila dreams of touching the colorful rainbow arching across the sky. Lila begins her adventure, hopping joyfully toward the rainbow. Along the way, Lila meets Wise Turtle resting by a small pond. Wise Turtle shares secrets about rainbows and friendship. Lila continues her journey and encounters Sammy, a giggling squirrel. Sammy joins Lila, showing her shortcuts through the forest. They meet Melody, a tiny bird with a beautiful voice. All friends journey together toward the rainbow's end. They reach the hill where the rainbow seems to touch the ground. Lila discovers the rainbow isn't something you can touch. Wise Turtle explains that rainbows are made of light and friendship. Lila realizes the joy was in the journey with her new friends. All the friends begin to dance together under the rainbow's glow.